Hi, Callum. Hi. Yeah? How was your day today? Tell us all about it. Hi. Clear your throat. Go ahead. Yes? Are you doing some push-ups? Sit-ups? Get some abs of steel. Yeah, look at that. Nice work, child. Nice work. Hi. You wondering what I'm doing with this camera? Hi.